Good morning and welcome to Godwin Tech. In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through on how to use bring forward commands, a Microsoft Word mobile app. You may have two images or two shapes, or even a combination of image and shape. And through the editing of your documents, you want to bring one forward ahead of the other. You can do that in a mobile app. This is one of the hidden features many users of Microsoft Word mobile app do not know. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to do that with a sample. So let's get started. First is to access the mobile app. As I pop and in the final search section, I will type Word. Okay, this has shown the Word app. I'll tap on it for it to open. Now these are the documents I recently created, so I'll be working with one of them. And the one I want to use to explain this is the one with the name screenshots. It has an image with combination of an object or a shape, which I want to use to explain how to use the command. So I'll tap on it. Now I'll tap on the edit button, which is the pen-like icon. Alright, as you can see here, there is an image and a shape here, the two of them. The shape is on the image, alright. So let's assume I want to bring the image forward so that the shape will go back. I can use the bring forward tool to do that. Okay. The first step is to select the object you want to bring forward. And here is the bigger image I want to bring forward. So I'll tap on it for it to be selected. The next step is to tap on the report display options icon, which is the icon that points up at the bottom right. So I'll tap on it. Alright, this gives us an overview of the commands we can use to work on this image. Alright, so then tap on the arrange command. Now under arrange are so many tools we can work with, but my interest is to bring the image forward, which I've already selected. So I will tap on the bring forward command. Bring forward. Okay, you can see now it has hidden the object I have on top of the image, showing me the full image here. Alright, so if I want to take it back to its normal position, I can tap on the undo button. Alright, so these are just the steps you need to take to use the bring forward command. So if you are somebody that works with images in Microsoft Word mobile app, this can be of help to you. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video and leave comments. Stay good.